In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up goals and habits tracking in Google Calendar. If you want a simple way to stay consistent with your routines, Google Calendar can be a great tool. Instead of trying to remember your habits every day, you can schedule them directly into your calendar so they become part of your regular routine. This works especially well for things like exercise, reading, meditation, journaling, or any recurring goal you want to build into your week. To get started, open Google Calendar and click on an empty time slot in your calendar. You can also select Create from the top left if that feels easier. This will open a new event, which is where you'll set up your habit. Next, give the event a clear and specific name based on the habit you want to track. For example, you might call it morning meditation, evening walk, or read for 20 minutes. Being specific here helps you quickly understand what the event is for whenever you look at your calendar later. After that, choose a realistic time slot and duration for the activity. This is important because habits are much easier to maintain when they fit naturally into your day. Try not to overcommit. Even a short and consistent time block can be much more effective than setting aside a long session that's hard to stick with. Pick a time you can repeat regularly, whether that's early in the morning, during lunch, or in the evening. Once the timing looks good, open the recurrence or repeat settings and choose how often you want this habit to happen. You can set it to daily, weekly, or use a custom option if your routine is more specific. This step is what makes habit tracking in Google Calendar so useful, because the event will automatically appear on the schedule without you needing to recreate it every time. Then choose a distinct color for the event or for the calendar category you're using for habits. Color coding makes it much easier to scan your calendar and immediately see your progress. It also helps separate your personal routines from meetings, appointments, and other commitments. When everything looks right, click Save. Your habit is now locked into your schedule as an ongoing event. From here, the key is consistency. Keep checking your calendar, follow the time blocks you've created, and adjust them later if needed so the system continues to work for your lifestyle. That's how to set up goals and habits tracking in Google Calendar in a simple, practical way.